Hello internet, how are you doing today? And this is going to be super exciting episode for all those people who are wanting to improve audio over their videos. Now, in my opinion, for all YouTubers, this has been by far the most difficult problem to get that perfect audio. Because personally speaking, I have lost a lot of viewership because of this, and I have tried a lot of methods in the past to improve audio over my videos. So I decided to make this video where I could show you the best solution you can get for your audio, and I would also compare this mic with my Scarlett Studio arrangement so that you can see how much difference is there. Alright, the voice that you're listening to right now is coming through this microphone, which is attached to this Focusrite audio interface. This audio interface is super easy to use. Having said that, though it is easy to use, but it gives you an exceptionally good audio quality. And this USB cable goes into your computer, and this is the XLR cable coming out of your mic, and you could also listen to whatever you're speaking through a headphone, which I am also wearing right now. Now, this is not the cheapest solution you would get, but then quality comes at a price. So I would highly recommend using this Scarlett Studio arrangement for all your voiceover requirements. And I would like to turn my AC on so that the fan is not there in this office. So I would like to turn my AC on so that you can see how much noise is gathered by this cardioid mic. And I'm not sure if you can listen to all the noise in the background which is being made by the air conditioner. And I'm going to turn this off so that you can see the difference. Okay. And some kind of outside noise is also there, but I'm not sure if you can hear that. And now I'm going to compare this thing with another mic. Alright, now what you're listening to is being recorded through this condenser mic, and although I bought this mic at not a very cheap price, and I expected the audio quality to be high through this mic, and I'm speaking right through it, as you can see it. Now what I've done here is I've kept the recording I've kept the microphone approximately 80%. I can increase it, but then I would never want to increase the microphone boost here, because that is going to drastically increase the noise levels here. So all the settings are pretty okay up to the date, but still we'll turn the AC on and see how much extra noise is added to the recording. And I'm going to quickly switch myself to Scarlett Studio so that I can conclude the video. Alright, I'm back on my Scarlett Studio mic, and I hope this quick comparison on the two recording devices was helpful. If you want to have a look at a more detailed video on how to use Focusrite Scarlett Studio, how to configure it, I'll put a link in the description. But in this quick video, I simply wanted to illustrate how easy it is to improve the audio quality on your videos if you can really invest a specific amount of money into it. And other than that, I could really remove the noise out of the recordings from this mic, the other mic, through Audacity and other softwares. But then again, it would waste a lot of time, and it would still not give me that satisfaction. So I hope this video was helpful, and as always, thank you so much for watching this video. You have a very, very good day and a good life. Bye bye.